Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the new version of the Only One token. There's a new contract address that's available for it, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy from that new one using their website. I'd also like to let you guys know I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on a daily basis, so if you guys are interested within that and want to learn how to buy, how to sell, and lots more within the crypto space, I really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out in the future. Anyhow, just stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to buy the new Only One token. First step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now, I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you guys are in Trust Wallet and you have your BNB over into your Smart Chain on your Trust Wallet, I'll just like to let you guys know as well, there's two ways that you guys can get the BNB. You can either buy it from Binance like I just showed you guys, or you can either purchase BNB inside of Trust Wallet. All you have to do is make sure when you have your BNB in Trust Wallet that you swap it over to the Smart Chain. And to do that, you just want to click on BNB if you have it in your BNB wallet, click on More, and then click on Swap to Smart Chain. Very, very easy, but you just want to make sure you have the BNB in your Smart Chain or else it will not show up on Pancakeswap, and that's what we're going to be using to purchase the Only1 token. So just make sure you guys have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet. After that, though, all you guys have to do is go to the link I have in the description. It'll bring you guys over to the Only1 token website where we're going to copy the contract address and then add that into Trust Wallet. So if you guys just go ahead and click on that link, it'll bring you over to Only1 token's website right here. All you guys have to do is scroll down on here and you will see a thing for the contract address. So right here, where it says go to Pancakeswap, and you can just copy the contract address from right here, go back over to Trust Wallet, and then all you have to do is go to the top right corner of your screen where you see the 2 lines and the 2 circles, click on that, and then paste the contract address in here. Once you guys do that, you just have to enable the Only1 token, and then click on Done. Once you guys do that, it will add the Only1 token to your Trust Wallet here. So now we can go ahead and go to Pancakeswap and purchase the token. So all you guys have to do now, since the dApps is no longer allowed on Trust Wallet, you guys have to go to pancakeswap.finance, the website. I actually just have an app for it. So all you guys have to do, though, is go to Safari and then type in pancakeswap.finance, or you can just click on the link I have in the description. It'll bring you guys over to Pancakeswap. And all you guys have to do once you're on Pancakeswap here is we just have to connect it to our Trust Wallet. So all you guys have to do is click on Connect, the top right of the screen here. Then click on Wallet Connect. Make sure you do not click Trust Wallet here. Just make sure you click Wallet Connect here. And then click on Trust Wallet. And then it will connect us to our Trust Wallet. So we just click on Connect. And then go back over to our Trust Wallet here. We'll know it's working when we see our balance in BNB here. So I currently have no balance in this wallet in my Smart Chain, but if you guys had BNB in your Smart Chain, it would show it right here at the top, right beside balance. So all we have to do now is click on Select a Currency, and we just have to paste that same address that we got from Only1 token's website in here. And then click on Import, I understand, and then Import. And then we'll have the Only1 token right here as well. Now we just have to check the slippage tolerance that they want us to use. So I believe it was 7 or 8%. So I'm just going to go check that out really, really quickly. Yes, right here at the bottom it says now trading on Pancakeswap V2, use at least 8% slippage. So we can go back and change our slippage tolerance by going to these 3 lines right here. And then changing this right here to 8%. And then backing out of it. So now all we have to do is decide how much of the BNB that we want to transfer into the Only1 token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 0.2. I can type in 0.2. And then it'll show me how much Only1 token I'll get in exchange for that. Now, if you guys are comfortable with what you see here, you guys just want to click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. And then it's going to pop up with the next display showing you guys your withdrawal fees, your rates, and things like that. Now, if you guys are okay with that, you can go ahead and click on confirm for swap. And then after that, it'll show you the exact same message it showed you when you had this inside of Trust Wallet. It will just show you it was successful. And then if you just go back over to your Trust Wallet, it will then be in your Trust Wallet within usually a couple minutes. I haven't had any issues doing it with this method at all. So after you do that, you just come back in here and your Only1 token will then be in here. Now, if you guys are interested in how to get the Pancakeswap app on your home screen like this, it's actually quite easy. You just want to go over to Safari where you were before, just getting your Only1 token. And all you guys have to do is just head over to the trade exchange here, just like this. Then go to the bottom where you see your little share button, click on the share button, and then scroll down. You'll see a button to add to home screen. And then you can go ahead and add it to your home screen. It just makes it a lot easier when you're swapping tokens like Only1 token. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase Only1 token and how to add Pancakeswap and stuff to your home screen to make it easier. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.